Fermín doesn't like to be on camera. When I asked him 5 years ago, can we make a documentary about you? He suggested, why don't you make it about my tortilleras instead?
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿De dónde eres?
Dios mío.
He's humble.
You know, you're expected to know what you want to do with your life at age 17. I was very lost. To be where I am now, that person would not even dream of that being a reality. You have this expectation, and this expectation is very different than the reality. My role now, more than cooking on a day-to-day, it's about teaching the next generation of people that are going to come up to almost think like I would, and sometimes actually better than I would. Corner. ¿Tienes cómo te llamas, chingonio?
Yo me llamo Antonio.
Yeah, Chingonio started in Suerte, then started learning from the butcher team when he was washing dishes, and now he butchers fish way better than I can. He just broke down a badass tuna. He is a true example of how to truly enjoy and be proud of what you do, especially with fish. Being Mexican is one of the coolest things you can be born with, and is just not being afraid to make it happen. Ahí está. At the same time, making sure that you're doing something that you truly enjoy. When have you ever seen a sad taquero? I don't think that's ever been a thing. Either they're all happy or they're angry, but they're excited to be doing what they're doing, right? Be cool, chef. And to me, that's more of what I want to bring and translate to the restaurant than mimicking or copying something that's already been made.
But make sure when you do the jambon, you say jambon there!
Jambon there, every time.
Every time.
For me, it's more part about setting the examples, how to be a good person that leads to a good chef, rather than just focusing on the responsibility of Mexican food. I think that's also a huge responsibility that I'm not too confident in taking the title on.
What you really want?
All right, we got 167 on the books for tonight. There's a big pop right at 5.
Chef!
9 years ago, when we were telling people that we were going to open a Mexican food that was going to mix some lives, corn in house to make tortillas pressed to order by hand one at a time. It was like telling people that we were going to have self-driving cars pick you up at your house and take you to your next destination, right? Because there just wasn't a lot of places to compare that to. And I'm proud that we still hold true to those values every day. So the tortilla you get is the most Texas tortilla that you'll ever have. Mexicans love it, Texans love it, people from other countries love it, and I love it. And I think that's what's the root of how we look at everything that we do at the restaurants.
So there you have it, a film about world-renowned Texas chef Fermín Nuñez, begrudgingly sharing his story. Maybe we'll do a cookbook next.